Hello world.
Hi.
Come and play one game on time today.
So you didn't just suddenly couldn't tell me before you started the video?
No, you're prepared. It is called the couples tag. So, where and when did we meet?
As in meet in this fashion?
Meet? We can meet and when we meet.
Our first non-intentional meeting. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, was I don't remember the exact date, but it was in September, early September 2017. Yeah.
August still.
Are they August?
August school start.
Yeah, what time when school started we get grubbing? The early part of school, probably the first or second week of school, probably August. And I brought her on my back.
You didn't even know that. I told you that.
Yes, I took her on my
I
back.
told you that story because I never remember it.
Am I gonna finish?
Okay.
Yes, I took her on my back. Yeah, that's where I first met her. Other than that, I didn't see her any at all around the campus. She was, I don't know if she hid away or something. She didn't like the light or something. I don't know, but you just wouldn't see her. Good.
Where was our first date?
Our first date?
No, wait. Another time next question.
Okay.
Alright, tell when was our first date?
Our first date? On my birthday. Our first date. Are you the ask me out? So my first date, she asked me out on my birthday.
Yeah, see your
Yeah,
face.
so she asked me out, yeah, she did. So we went to
Me ask you out?
yeah, she asked me out, and I went to center stage. I lied. Yeah, center stage. And then we went to KFC. Come on, KFC. Or before that date, probably the first date would have been at church, where she invited me to a church at Constant Spring. Yeah.
Constant Spring Wesleyan.
Yeah, so Constant Spring Wesleyan Holiness.
Oh, we did go.
Hallelujah. So we went to an all-night prayer meeting. Yes, that would have been the first date in the house of the Lord. Hallelujah.
So,
Yeah.
when did we meet in this fashion?
We met in this fashion over the phone.
No. Oh, it start. Oh, we start.
Over the phone.
Before that, the backing and forth in of it. You know, I have something to tell me. I gotta tell her before I go over, man.
Choosing a place are hard, we never did know say.
I never play no hard.
So it would have been just regular chit chat in terms of she asking me. Let me find the exact word.
Me asking
She would say to me,
you.
so like, so we are feature now.
And
I'm
me
gonna
just
say-
come up there and do that?
And I would be like,
No, talk truth.
anyways, I was there trying my best just to get in her presence, right? Very shy. I don't know why I was so shy. I was very shy though, but I was trying my best to get in her presence, and we just tried to pick some relationship kind of argument, and then she questioned me, yeah, or me mainly, but she was doing it under the quiet, yeah. So I was like, she would be like, so who you featuring around the school? And I trying to be smooth and soft and good, I would say to her, It's a two-person though, a social work girl and a theology girl, but I wouldn't tell her who the person was.
That's not true.
What was it? What
Let
is
me
it true?
tell you.
Yes.
So, you said
Good God, yeah.
from about November time.
Yeah, me a feature for November. But I never know where this girl art was, so if I do my specs and I investigate her love life, all them things, so I just keep on a loop.
Every time I say I got asked for my friend name.
Are you friend with me ask? Or are you friend me ask?
Of a friend.
But somebody me ask on your friend.
You tell
Somebody
me
will know
say
about your people.
not at all.
You don't have to know that. We just do specs, we do investigation, we do man checks, content.
I'm from here.
Yeah.
You tell me say I go ask somebody about me in a November. And then in a December, me say me and that tree. I talk. Call me. Me say don't make him tell her no lie no.
Yeah, she want to come on that tree.
friend,
She want to come on that tree. Yes, dog.
Call me for come.
She got to come on that tree because she got to go more business than she want to come on that tree.
My class did finish and me that go in.
Yes, go ahead.
So, me come and me sit down and talk about girl who you like. So me the thing say you the one of them.
No.
He say one social work girl and one theology girl. No theology girl not dead.
So, you
So me name out all of the young theology people them, which is like 5 people, and he said no to all of them. So me say sorry, old woman them you did one. So me ask her if I want her.
What's that? A murder man? What's about that? Go ahead.
But the other theology woman not did it. So he said no, he might tell me one next time. And then he said, cause we gonna come off of the dorm and you tell me say before you leave the dorm you gonna tell me. And then a couple days later I see you with bag pan back and go through the gate and you not tell me nothing.
But this shy, I swear, with this shy, we just never have the courage then to tell her because I think we never fully understand where you were and we want to violate relationship because we respect relationship that much. So if you know it's a person that talks to somebody.
And then you come and ask me
why if you're single?
If me ever talk to nobody upon this.
Yeah, because so when we do the investigation, I learned that she was with somebody that used to attend JTS. But in one sense, look the way there, in next sense, no look the way there, so I'm not sure. So I'm going to ask her like that. Say, yo, you ever talking about the JTS? And she was like, no. So when she told me no, I mean, say, she and him the brother over there and all kind of. I said, okay. I'm going to watch. Brother going in yard. Yeah. So. The brother I'm going with. That is the situation.
Okay. And then after that?
And after that, now I went home for the December. I was tempted to text her, but I said, no, I said, boy. It's like, I don't like to be embarrassed. I don't like to experience rejection. Yeah, I don't like it so. I want to throw my dice, but I don't want to show it because I don't want the girl to tear me down and stab me anyway, you understand? And I'm not stabbing, that means that she can stab me on the derogatory way, but I never want she just like, this can't work. Yeah, I don't like the thing there, because I said, boy, I'm going to end up with see her about the next semester. I can't go look on her, and she turn me down because she's going to look on me and say, boy, tell her friend and say, oh, Nikki, and listen, I said, boy, that look me do. But no, sir, I don't want something there, so I wanted to text her over the Christmas break, I didn't. Then December 25th, sharp, I got the courage and I said, okay, I'm going to text her a Merry Christmas. I'm going to text her a Merry Christmas. What did you say?
This random Merry Christmas speech stuff.
Yeah, I'm sending her a nice greetings for her and her family.
No, I want the random picture them of people, everybody has sent around. All the old women, them are send them out for you.
I look for that one special to send. And what did you say?
Thanks. Merry Christmas to you too.
And then after now, she said all the thing I was waiting for. She said like, so, you know, tell me what the theology person, I said so? Tell me,
You
no,
say
so she
you
know
have
now.
something to tell me.
Something like that. Some say, yeah, man, she don't forget. She don't
But
forget.
me never really want no
I
because
just start jumping and say, yeah, man, she don't forget the argument. You know, I said, Jerome, interested in.
no, me just never wanted to be me because me just never want.
At
Me no
that
like
time-
when people like me.
At that time, I say, yeah, man, interested in, man, because she still remember the conversation there. So the young man said, alright, I'm bad up on me, I'm brave up on me because I'm behind the phone. So I say, yo, what if I tell us are you? What did I say? And she was like, what again?
But I can't me.
Yeah, and I can't mean. I'm sorry. I'm starting to say, you man, you man. And she behave like, and then she start class herself. No, Sam, you don't know what you want, and like she try to say, I'm not the kind of person for you, and all them things if it does make me just change your mind and say, you know what, I'm bother. I say, John, go and talk here. That Christmas now, it's like I spend 80% of my time on the phone because, like I said, my texts are 2 o'clock. She respond like 10 minutes past 2. Then me text her back 10 minutes past 2 at the same time when she texts me. And she texts back in the next 10 minutes. And I said, back. I'm just serious.
No, you didn't invite me for your church trip.
Yeah, I forgot. That is girl. Dungeon Falls. What did you say?
No.
So I said, so what do you mean?
But we did like, you just a start. Remember, you know, November, you see me and like me. December, you tell me say you like somebody, but you not tell me who. January, either New Year's when did I go on a trip for?
Mm-hmm.
And then you gotta tell me if you come with you. No.
Is that come be a part of James' family?
No, I mean, I know you. Supposed to kidnap me.
What church?
Yes.
And here she not come straight me down. Somebody said, why did you invite you to go somewhere or something like that? She was like, no. And I pay attitude back on it. So no, I'm gonna get a girl that break, you know, because she'll behave like, say, more like she will have her man, that's how she'll treat me, so. Got me looking, complete. What?
You will come back January.
Come back now. Hold on, guys. The food nice, I'm not lying.
We come back January and me see around and around the school compound and I'm like, hi Mr. President.
P, all the men get to know me and say, what? Look at your things to do them.
I look through it and I see him, hi Mr. President. And he just
right.
a kin off in teeth and I walk by.
But this shy man can ask, God, how do I do this now? Because I never use search, you see it?
Never used to.
If you look, woman, them that look, man. Anyways,
Look at you.
not for real, I don't use it. I'm just being honest. So,
So do you want me to look you?
but I just never used to it. So anyways, it's a good sign that, so I say, you know what? When I say I do sit down, and I be it quick, you know, I say, yeah, I go out there, go talk, because I say, I go to my shirt away from the come out there, you know. And she don't like light up, not light, but kind of when I dark, but look like that shine, and I say, yeah, I go out there fast, you know. But I'm saying I go bathe and put a little perfume, and you understand? Take out my little tight shots, I'm like, I want a quick shot fast, I cock a fart. But I'm done brushing the tree when that woman gone. So I must go to the jungle like someone empty the garbage. I get empty the garbage, I see her. I thought after a little while, I see her at the window, like, because I see her farm at the window. I say, come out of the door, man. I say, come out of the door, I want to text her. You never know, babe. Because she never give me her number. Like
no, because in the have my number, but he never did know saying have it. So I say, I saw you just have people number just so.
It is.
Hey guys, alright, so you've just seen that video. I hope you enjoyed it. Jerome and I filmed that video from around last year October, and we weren't even thinking about YouTube. That was just for our fun. We had a date night. We went to see the sunset. Yes, and we buy a little box food, and that was our dinner for the night. Yeah, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and comment your favorite part down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, where are you, man? click the link right now. Click it. Alright, cool. See you guys in the next video.